Now you're ready for counting dimes up to $1. So, a dime is worth 10 cents or 10 pennies. So if you had 10 pennies, you would have 1 dime. So we're counting by tens. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. And 90 plus 10 is 100 or $1. Okay, so 100 pennies is the same as $1. But who wants to carry around 100 pennies in their pocket? Your pants would fall down. So it's just easier to carry larger coins. So once again, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1.